Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audiovisual storage needs. Today we will demonstrate how to remove and replace the top of an HSA roll-top desk. To begin, remove or lower your roll-top tambour. Not all desks require full removal of the tambour. If it is required, please see the removal and installation of the roll-top tambour video in the link below. This view is from the bottom of the desk looking up. Start on your left side when facing the desk and loosen the cams on the underside of the top. Then, go across the back, loosening the cams gently. This angle you will see from the top side. Once all the cams on the back are loosened, loosen the cams on the underside of the top right side on the back. Gently tap underneath and the top will slowly pop off if all cams have been correctly loosened. Be careful not to break the cam slots as you remove your top. To replace your top, gently insert the cams into place. Tighten both the left and right underside cams, and then tighten the cams from left to right across the back. Thank you for watching HSA-TV.